Okay, Unit 3 review, example number 1. Thomas works at a furniture store. He earns 14% commission on the amount of furniture that he sells. If Thomas sells $2,195 worth of furniture, how much commission will he receive? You're going to work this problem just like you do a sales tax problem. We're going to multiply this percent times this number. So we're going to change this 14% to a decimal. Okay, so we're going to move the decimal 2 places to the left. Okay, when the decimal's out of sight, it's to the right. And then we move it 2 places to the left. So we're going to multiply by 0.14. So we have our 2,195 times our 0.14. So we're going to multiply everything times 4. 4 times 5 is 20. 4 times 9 is 36, plus 2 is 38. 4 times 1 is 4, plus 3 is 7. 4 times 2 is 8. Add your placeholder, and then multiply everything by 1, which is easy because anything multiplied by 1 is just that number, so I'm just rewriting the 2195. Then I'm going to add everything up. Okay, so this is what I get when I multiply these two numbers together. But I have 2 decimal places after this decimal, so I need to have 2 numbers after the decimal, so I'm going to put the decimal right here. So the commission that he's going to receive is $307.30 because I just multiplied what he sold by that 14% commission.